Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make organic kimchi. We'll walk through each step, from selecting the freshest organic produce to the final fermentation process. Making your own kimchi is a rewarding experience, and using organic ingredients ensures a healthier, more vibrant flavor. This guide will help you create a delicious batch of homemade organic kimchi that you can enjoy for weeks to come. Let's get started on this exciting culinary journey together. First, let's gather our organic ingredients. You'll need one large organic napa cabbage, weighing about 3 pounds, along with organic carrots, radishes, and green onions. After quartering the cabbage, generously salt it with about 1/2 cup of sea salt, letting it sit for 2 hours to soften. This crucial step draws out moisture. Remember to rinse the cabbage thoroughly 3 times and gently squeeze out any excess water before moving on to the next exciting stage. Now for the heart of the flavor, the organic kimchi paste. In a bowl, combine 1/2 cup of organic gochugaru, 6 cloves of minced organic garlic, a 2-inch piece of grated organic ginger, and 2 tablespoons of organic maple syrup or rice syrup. Add a 1/4 cup of organic fish sauce or a vegan alternative. Mix this vibrant paste with your prepared cabbage and other vegetables. Don't forget to wear gloves and massage the paste thoroughly into every leaf for maximum flavor absorption. After mixing, pack your organic kimchi tightly into a clean, sterilized 1-gallon glass jar, ensuring there's about 1 inch of headspace. Place the jar at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 1 to 5 days. Check it daily for bubbling and taste it to determine your preferred level of fermentation. Once it reaches that perfect tangy flavor, transfer your delicious organic kimchi to the refrigerator, where it will happily keep for up to 3 months. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.